Red Pocket Mobile offers no contract prepaid plans, so canceling is straightforward. There are three main methods: online, by phone, or via mail. The easiest way is through your online account at redpocket.com. Navigate to Manage Plan and select Cancel Service, then confirm via email. Alternatively, call 1-800-RED-POCKET during business hours and provide your account details and IMEI for verification. Finally, send a written request to Red Pocket's support address, including your account information and the reason for cancellation. Be aware that service ends immediately upon confirmation, and any unused balances are typically not refunded. Always back up your data before canceling, as access will be terminated. Refunds from Red Pocket Mobile are rare. They're usually only considered for the unused portion of a prepaid plan if canceled shortly after activation and within the billing cycle, but not for partial usage. Contact customer service to inquire, but be prepared for denial. If you wish to keep your phone number, you'll need to port it out to a new carrier before canceling your Red Pocket service. Initiate the port-out process through the Red Pocket app/website or by calling support. You'll need to provide your phone number, account PIN, and the new carrier's details. Porting typically takes between 1 to 24 hours, and you'll receive a confirmation text. Porting is free under FCC rules, but confirm with your new carrier. Remember to prepare your new SIM card and have your port-out PIN ready to avoid delays.